proud to say I'm finally getting the hang of my shit. I figured it out. I know the way to get out this pit. I'm the
Yo, good day everyone, it's your boy Chemical Michelle. I know I haven't been recording these videos for a very long time, and I'm sorry if there might be a bit of an echo because I'm working on a space that I'm not used to. So right now, as you can see, you're looking at the USDCAD, USDCHF pair, and it has been like for a very long time. It has been on a bullish momentum, right? So the thing is, I don't like riding the wave because at the same time it might turn out that we might be changing direction. But okay, you see, we've been buying on this pair for a very long time, right? So as we've been buying, we had like our break of structure because the market has been bullish for a very long time. So this is what I mean. We've been forming series of low, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Then we're looking to enter our buys, then go up. But if you check this, we are already late on this pair. By the way, it's Monday. It's Monday today. It's quarter to 12 South African time. So this video might drop in the afternoon because I have to edit first. So here we have our own demand zone. Lately I've been using 4-hour time frames to enter. I prefer swing trading instead of day trading lately, because it's more efficient to do swing trading rather than do day trading, because I can hold on trades and let them run for a very long time. For instance, I had trades that have been running, but I'll show you I'll show you after this. Then we'll go to the pair that I was hoping I'll look into. So this is our demand zone, right? If things go according to our analysis, this is what we have. By the way, I'm not offering any mentorship, any signals or anything. I'm just doing YouTube videos for now because I'm not FSCA regulated and I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just sharing my thoughts on my personal trades. So I hope no one will come after me and say I took their money, because I don't offer any financial services. So yeah, on a 1 hour time frame, this is what we have. So if you look into this, the demand zone has not been mitigated yet. So let's leave an alert for this one. I'll receive an email when it gets to that point. So yeah, this is where I wanted to go, guys. So let me go to this trade. There are a few trades that I missed the previous week. For instance, EURJPY. So lately I took this strategy from there's this guy. He trades like SMC but swing trading instead of day trading. He recently switched to swing trading. So my entry criteria, I usually enter on the 75% of the Fibonacci retracement tool, right? So I'll show you the screenshot whereby I sent it to the group. Like I said, I'm not offering any services currently, so I have all members who've been in my group for a very long time, so I keep on sharing my trades with them. So this was supposed to be where I entered on the 75%, but judging by how big the loss could have been if we took a loss, I thought no, that one was not that was not worth it. So we had our demand zone that was mitigated at this point, and then we had our break of structure, then it left the demand zone. So I was hoping I can enter on this demand zone because it was less. The loss was gonna be less compared to if I enter on the 75% on the Fibonacci retracement tool. I'll send you the before. I'll attach the before screenshot on the video. So yeah, then Yes, there's GBPAUD. Also, this one I missed this one, and previously on this pair, I entered right about here and went out here because I was actually on a drawdown on equity edge, but right now I think I'm up by $40 to $50, of which is like, I don't know, is it like 0.5%, 1%? I'm not sure, but yeah, that's like 1% of my account. Then okay, on this one, no, this one I didn't enter. I didn't analyze anything. So let me go to GBPJPY. I'm currently running in profit on GBPJPY, which is the pair that is making me profit right now, currently as we speak. In the moment, I'll attach like the running profit on my phase 1 challenge of equity edge. And if you want to buy an account of equity edge, you'll get the link in my description below to get an affordable challenge for you in order to trade. So we had like a bullish momentum for a very long time, and at the same time there was like a bit of consolidation because this is the 4-hour time frame, right? Then we had a spike to the upside. That's when I started adding like this Fibonacci. I added this Fibonacci tool, and from here up until there, then it gave me like the 75% entry criteria, where like it fits my criteria for entering a position. At the same time, we had our demand zone here mitigated, and I found this later. To be honest, I found this later, but I entered somewhere below say the 75% zone. Hence, I'm running like in a bit of profit right now, and I entered like using 0.08 because I didn't want to take like a huge loss because I was like chasing after a trade, of which is something that I don't recommend, but it turned out I got lucky at the same time. So I have this other pair that I'm currently running on. So on this one is a bit tricky, right? So we've been on a downtrend, and we took like liquidity at this point. That was why I'm saying we took liquidity, is because if we check this 4-hour candle, there was no clear opening of another candlestick formation on top of this previous higher low, right, to confirm that we had a change of character. So liquidity was taken out. Then we had a break of structure whereby it was supposed to be liquidity, then it formed more and more candles below this. So at the same time, I entered on the 75%. No, I didn't enter on the 75% zone. Like I forgot to set my limit orders. Then I found the market somewhere around here. Then I had to enter like manually instead of like leaving orders, right? Okay, right, guys. So this is like the pair that I was gonna analyze with you and show the strategy. For those who are not familiar with what I'm talking about, so if you look at this pair on the 4-hour time frame, we've been bearish, meaning like we're taking sales after sales after sales. You see, so looking at this, we had like a break of structure. This is a break of structure to the downside because the market is bearish, meaning we're taking sales only. We're waiting for sales to come in. So this is where we're having our break of structure, because there have been like candle formations below this previous lower low, and then there's a demand zone, supply zone in this area. I'm gonna do this like very fast with you, so I'm hoping everyone will catch up. So below this supply zone, we had a huge imbalance, and if I drag my Fibonacci retracement tool from this high to this low, it fits perfectly, right, on the 75% entry point. So since today is Monday, I don't know when will we get to this point. So chances I might get this type of movement and then drop, or you can play around this zone. But here's the thing, the reason why I'm taking like the 75% zone is because I want to have like a solid 1 to 3 risk ratio reward each and every time. So I'll be risking 47 pips to make 136. So if I use 0.01 on this pair, if I take a loss, it's gonna be 4.8% because it's 4.75. So I'm already like rounding it off. But then if I take profit using 0.01, it'll be it's gonna be 13.61 US dollars. So this is the pair that I was gonna look into. And then let's go to Nasdaq. Here's something I want to show you guys. So I didn't enter Nasdaq. Oh, okay, let me go to US30 because it's like almost similar to what I was talking about. So on the US30, we've been bearish. You see, after this drop, I don't know, was it CPI or, but it was probably like new CPI or MFP. So I had like this Fibonacci 2 trade to this point, and then this was supposed to be the entry, but I didn't enter. I'm not gonna lie, say like I entered this trade. I didn't enter. I just let this setup running. But here's the thing about like trading strategies, right? Sometimes you might think like, okay, because like you anticipated this movement to happen, the trade is supposed to hit your full take profit. No, it doesn't work like that. Chances are, okay, you might get like few cells here to complete this structure, but if you look into this pair, we have like a demand zone where like the market started buying. So yeah, it's the same thing on Nasdaq. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, leave a like, comment if you want to, suggest anything that you want me to do next time, and don't forget to check the description of this video for the links that I've posted. If you want to get like an account with EURJPY, you'll find the link on my description. If you want access to my free Telegram channel, there's a link also. And if you want a recommended broker, you also find a link there. Thank you. See you next time.
Hey, God took a wheel.